Puffing, sneezing, and popping eyes, Frank the fridge looked mystified. Where is the little girl? Frank searched for her blonde curls. Full of food for the week, Frank the fridge could hardly speak. Sneaking through the open door, Stacy hopped on the kitchen floor. What's for dinner? Stacy asked. I'm not sure, the fridge replied. Orange juice jumped on his shelf. I am great for Stacy's health. I will feed Stacy, sir. Red Tomato suddenly emerged. I will take your place, my friend, Mr. Sam said from the end. Stacy needs a lot of greens. Fred the lettuce spilled the beans. Stacy always liked my soup, Kate the cabbage told the group. Auntie Kate, you must wait, then Happy Lettuce stated straight. I have fiber, vitamins, and taste, the cabbage said in haste. I am on every doctor list, the angry lettuce quickly hissed. I'll go first, Kate the cabbage said in outburst. I will call my friends for help, Fred the lettuce yelled upset. Who is asking for my help? The plum tomato left his shelf. Kate is crossing every line, the cucumber from Arizona whined. I am perfect for good health, Kate the cabbage knew her rights. Looking around the veggie bin, the lettuce hoped that he could win. What's the noise about, my friend? Peppy mumbled from his bed. I'm tired and undressed. Peppy left his friends so stressed. The fight was going on, and Stacy didn't feel like she was having fun. I'm hungry, she disappeared inside the pantry. End of the story? Maybe not. Stacy is still hungry. Keep reading. Story 2 is coming your way. Bye.
Did you read MRS.D.BOOKS? Did you eat your vegetables today? Did you eat your fruits today? Tell me back. I eat my fruits and vegetables, and I read MRS.D.BOOKS. Yes, I did.